If your garden looks like a patch of dirt, you're just one step away from greatness. Starting a garden can feel overwhelming. But here's the secret: you don't need to go big right away. Start small. Plant a few seeds in a pot or a small patch of soil. Watch them grow. As you see those tiny sprouts, you'll feel excited to do more. Gardening is a journey, not a race. Each new leaf, each blooming flower is a little victory. And guess what? It's okay to make mistakes. Every gardener was once a beginner. So, grab your gloves, pick up that trowel, and start planting. Before you know it, you'll have a beautiful garden to enjoy and relax in. Remember, gardening is about joy, not stress. Happy gardening! Don't forget to subscribe and like.